Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss this dangerous warning light on your dashboard that is known as the transmission overheating light. Transmission overheated warning, causes, symptoms, and solutions. A transmission overheated warning appears when the transmission fluid temperature rises beyond safe levels, typically above 200 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, or 93 to 104 degrees Celsius. If ignored, it can lead to severe damage, costly repairs, and even complete transmission failure. Causes of transmission overheating. Several factors can cause a transmission to overheat. 1. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is essential for lubrication and cooling. Low fluid levels or degraded, burnt fluid can cause excess friction and heat. Contaminated fluid due to metal shavings or sludge loses its cooling efficiency. 2. Heavy towing, hauling or overloading. Carrying heavy loads, towing trailers, or hauling excess weight strains the transmission. The extra work generates heat, especially if the cooling system is inadequate. 3. Hot weather and stop-and-go traffic. Driving in extreme heat or in heavy traffic, frequent stopping and accelerating increases transmission temperature. Off-roading or driving in hilly areas can also put extra strain on the system. 4. Faulty transmission cooler. Most automatic transmissions have a cooler that helps regulate fluid temperature. A clogged or malfunctioning cooler restricts fluid flow, leading to overheating. 5. Transmission slipping. If the transmission is slipping, gears not engaging properly, it generates extra heat. Slipping can be due to worn clutches, solenoid issues, or a failing torque converter. 6. Blocked or dirty transmission filter. A clogged transmission filter reduces fluid flow, causing overheating. Regular maintenance prevents this problem. 7. Aggressive or hard driving. Frequent rapid acceleration and sudden stops put stress on the transmission. Driving at high speeds for long periods can also cause overheating. Symptoms of transmission overheating warning light or dashboard message. Transmission overheated warning appears. Burning smell. Overheated fluid gives off a burnt odor. Sluggish performance. The car may struggle to accelerate. Hard or delayed shifting. Gear changes become rough or slow. Transmission slipping. RPMs rise without an increase in speed. Unusual noises. Grinding or whining noises from the transmission. What to do if your transmission overheats. Immediate actions. First, stop driving. Pull over safely and turn off the engine to let the transmission cool down. Next, check the transmission fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the correct type. Then, shift to neutral at stops. This reduces heat buildup in traffic. Finally, allow the transmission to cool. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before driving again. Long-term fixes. Flush or change the transmission fluid if it's dirty or burnt. Replace it. Inspect for leaks. Check for any fluid leaks under the vehicle. Check the transmission cooler and radiator. Ensure they are functioning properly. Clean or replace the transmission filter. This helps maintain proper fluid flow. Get a professional diagnosis. If overheating persists, consult a mechanic. How to prevent transmission overheating. Check and change transmission fluid regularly, as per manufacturer recommendations. Avoid overloading or excessive towing. Use a transmission cooler if needed. Drive smoothly. Avoid aggressive acceleration and sudden stops. Ensure proper cooling system function. The radiator and transmission cooler should be in good condition. Monitor for early signs. Address small issues before they turn into bigger problems. Final thoughts. Transmission overheating is a serious issue that should never be ignored. If your car displays the transmission overheated warning, act quickly to prevent permanent damage. Regular maintenance and proper driving habits can help extend the life of your transmission. Would you like guidance on checking or changing transmission fluid?